right, so because it's a unit test, everything we've seen, including from the beginning of the unit. So let's take a look at 67 through 72. So it says identify the ending floor. We're gonna use like an elevator. So let me do my number line. We usually see the number line going from left to right. I'm gonna go sideways. I'm gonna put a 0 there, and I'm gonna go in the positives. Let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. If I need to extend my number line, I will do so. At the bottom, let me go -1, -2, -3, 4, -5. See, 6, 7, 8, 9, and -10. If I need to extend my number line, I will do so. So, all right, so we're starting on floor 2. So I'm here. And then we go up 3. 1, 2, 3. So now we're right here. So as a matter of fact, let me erase this. Now we're there. Then it says we go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm right there now. Let me erase this work. So I'm on floor 9 now. But then I go down 5. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm on floor 4 now. Then I go down 2. So I'm on 4. I go down 2. So I'm on floor 2 now. And then lastly, I go down 3. So 1, 2, 3. I ended on floor -1. It's fine for it to be negative, right? If you go down to LA, there's floors at the bottom, right? The basements. So it's fine to be negative. Let's take a look at number 68. Let me use my same number line for 68. Now here we start on floor 0. So I'm at 0. And then I'm going to go down 3. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. I'm at -3 now. And then I'm going to go up 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm at +1 now. And then I'm going to go down 6. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm at -5 now. Then I'm going to go up 2. I'm here at -3. Then I'm going to go up 2. And I finish at -1. Let me come back to this one, actually. Let me come back to here, this one. So I'm going to start at floor 2. I'm going to go up 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm on floor 5 now. I'm going to go up 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm on floor 9 now. I'm going to go down 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm on floor 4 now. I'm going to go up 2. Oh, I went down earlier. Okay, so I went up 2. So I'm on floor 6 now. And then I'm going to go down 3. So 1, 2, 3. I finish at floor 3. Okay. Now let's take a look at number 69. So it says, what is the ending balance of the following bank account? So we're going to start with a certain amount. So in this case, we're going to begin with $254. We're going to withdraw and deposit money. Withdraw means we're going to take money out. So it's going to be minus. Deposit means we're going to add money to the account. So it's going to be plus. So deposit is plus, withdraw is minus. All right. So first of all, 254 minus 73. That gives me 181. So my new balance is 181. And then I add 25. So 181 plus 25 is 206. Then I add 30 more dollars. 206 plus 30, that's 236. Then I subtract 67. 236 minus 67 is 169. And to finish this, I'm going to add $20. So my ending balance is $189. Let's take a look at question number 70. I'm going to begin with 435. Again, withdraw means to subtract, and deposit means to add. So I'm going to subtract, I'm going to add, subtract, and then add. So 435, I subtract 70. 435 minus 70 gives me 365. 365 plus 20, that gives me 385 minus 110. 385 minus 110 gives me 275 minus 200. That gives me 75. And then plus 20, I finish with $95. And lastly, let's take a look at adding, subtracting positives and negatives. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to write everything without parentheses. If there's two negative signs, so say I had a minus and then a negative inside the parentheses. So there's two negative signs put together. I'm going to write it as a positive. Now, if there's a plus sign and there's a minus on the inside, the signs are different. I'm going to write that as a minus. So if the signs are the same, I'm going to write that as a plus. If the signs are different, I'm going to write that as a minus. So let me write this as 9 minus 4 minus 11 minus 12. And then I'm going to separate. I'm going to separate positives and negatives. So all the positives on the positive sign and all the negatives on the negative sign. So positive 9, negative 4, negative 11, negative 12. Now I'm looking at this as if this was a game, right? Positives and negatives. They're playing a sport, whatever sport it is. I'm going to add my numbers. When I add all my positives, I just get a 9. When I add all my negatives, 4 plus 11 plus 12, right, that's going to give me 27. Now, what I'm asking is, who won? By how much? Positive scored 9, negative scored 27. To begin with, I'm going to say the negatives won. By how much? I subtract those two values, 27 minus 9, that gives me 18. So the negatives won by 18 or just negative 18. My last example here, let me write everything without parentheses. So I'm going to write this as 9 minus 1 minus 1 minus 5. So let me separate my positives and my negatives. So I have positive 9, negative 1, negative 1, negative 5. Let me add all my positives is just 9. My negatives is just 7. Right? 1 plus 1 plus 5 is 7. My question at the end is, who won? Positives or negatives? By how much? Positives have 9, negatives have 7. I'm going to say the positives won by 2. So positive 2.